All right, girl, enough of this bonnet. I'm trying to figure out how I can grow my hair like this length in the next 10 minutes. But I know that's impossible. I'm not even going to hold myself. I know that can't happen. So I'm going to hop over to BGMGIRLHAIR and we're going to go over and get this kinky straight unit. It better look exactly like this. Exactly. Okay. So I went ahead and ordered it and now my package is here. So this is how everything came. It was a cute little packaging. Y'all seen that? I got a little bag. They did send over some goods. I got some eyelashes, you know, an edge brush. We got a melting band and some wig caps. I picked up the kinky straight texture in the inches of 24. And when I tell you girlies that this quality of hair is a freaking one, it is. It was super soft and it smelled amazing. This is their 9x6 HD lace wig. It comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. And baby, look at this. Look how it melts. This is their cap construction. It's designed to fit around your ear, and it also allows your hair to breathe. Okay, so we don't have to worry about smothering. It comes with combs, which are removable, and a elastic band. Putting the wig on for the first time, y'all, look at this HD lace. That HD was HD because what lace? I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the band in the back because we definitely have to see if we can wear it freaking glueless. Look at the texture of the hair in the photo and the wig that I got on my head. It better have been the same. It looks exactly like that picture. Now I can tell right here by the construction of this wig. Y'all see how flat that is around my forehead? No lifting, even on the sides. Y'all, this is a winner for a glueless wig. BGMGIRLHAIR, I love it. Okay, so I did do some light tinting to the hair. I just used some cream foundation, and this is what it looks like. Why does it look melted? Look, if I can run my comb through there, y'all, I was so impressed with them. I'm gonna show you your wig ain't going nowhere. I don't know why you would be doing all that, but it's secure. Okay. Time to wear her glueless. Okay, I'm not putting any lace adhesive on at all. I'm straightening up the part just a tad bit and added some wax so we can go ahead and hot comb this hairline. Y'all, when I tell you guys this looks good, this look good. So I'm just hot combing everything down into place, but it's just giving straight scalp. Can y'all see that it's giving scalp, or it's just me? I'm just being doodle. So now it's time for me to define the part because I can't get over how good this lace is looking. Like, it disappeared. But we used cream foundation and mixed the 2 shades in the Ruby Kisses level 12. And y'all, look at the part. It's alive. I woke her right on up. This is what the hair looks like. You'll have to, you know, just do a little bit of flat iron, not too much. I did put her on 450, but I am going to, you know, run some heat protectant through the hair because we do not want to damage her. So I have my Remington flat iron warming up on 450 like I just said, and we're just going to take section by section and just straighten her out. When doing this process, just be mindful, the higher your heat, the less the kinkiness is going to be in your hair. The lower the heat, the more kinkiness you will have. So I didn't want it too silk press. I just want, you know, slight kinkiness. And y'all know I use the big plated, I think this is a 2-inch flat iron because I do not have time to be taking tiny sections and not getting nowhere. I want the install to be under literally 30 minutes, and it wasn't even that. I swear it was like 15 max because I didn't have to melt the lace. What? And this is the side that's not flat ironed, and this is the side that I flat ironed quickly. Look at that. It looks so good, y'all. Y'all, look at this freaking wig. Baby, under 15-minute install. This is not glued down. Everything lays flat all over the place. When I tell you guys, look at that, not glued down. This is a true glueless unit, and this is my first time working with BGMGIRLHAIR. Baby, they did not come to play. They weren't playing with us. The quality of the hair, everything surpassing my expectation. Look at the back of the wig, y'all. Y'all cannot tell me it don't look like the picture I was trying to go for in the beginning of the video. All right, so of course we had to test it. I just wanted to melt the lace. You know, you don't have to. I promise you, you don't need to at all. But I wanted to go ahead and melt the lace for the girlies who want to melt the lace. So I am just going in with my Kiss lace spray, and we're just gonna spray that section. Like I said, it's a 9x6. It's a 9x6 and it's giving frontal. But anyway, we're just gonna go ahead and let that get tacky, and then we're just gonna place that lace down on top of that product. But like I said, please make sure your lace is, the lace product is tacky. And look, it just completely melts. It really looks no different from Glueless to lace spray. That's how it's supposed to look. It's supposed to give that vibe. Like, I could have came on here and just fooled y'all, but y'all know I ain't gonna do that. But literally, you cannot tell the difference between it being Glueless and not Glueless. So I'm just gonna add some more spray on the outside lace to just have it melt a little bit more. And I'm just going to go in with the back of my comb to relay that lace down, because when you spray product on it, it kind of does lift up to melt it. So you just want to make sure everything is down, and it looks so good. And I'm just adding a little more of cream foundation. And then we're going to allow our lace to melt for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes has passed. And when I tell you guys, look at this. The lace still gone. The lace is gone either way, if I wear a Glueless or if I melt it. It looks amazing. Like, this is probably gonna be my favorite wig of the year. I think BGM Girl that did it. So yeah, y'all, I just wanted to show you guys what it would look like if I melt the lace. So later that evening, I'm like, okay, I got my hair done. I need to find somewhere cute to go get me something to eat, because a girl hungry. So I changed my fit, and we're just going to add some curl in the hair. Now, this is like a button-up dress, but it was freaking huge. It was too big. So if it looked too big, it's because it is big. I'm taking my T3 curling iron and just curling away from my face. I'm not even opening the curling iron and using it like that. I'm just wrapping it around. I just like the curls that it created. Now, would I say this unit can hold a curl? Probably not long. It can hold a curl. As you guys can see, the curls are in there, but if you're going outside in humidity and things of that nature, trust me, it's gonna fall. So that does not take away from the unit in and of itself, though, because this unit 10 out of 10. If I could rate it 100 out of 10, baby, they surpassed my expectation. I'm obsessed with this freaking wig. So this is how the unit turned out curled. I did get some shedding with this unit. I did not experience no tangling at all with this unit. So again, this is my first install, and it looks chef's kiss. I'm obsessed. I will leave the link to this unit down in the description section below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.